Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's the Volkswagen T5 Kombi and how to activate the childproof locks on the sliding doors. When activated, this means that any children cannot open the sliding doors from the inside, but the doors can still be opened from the outside. So this is a really useful safety feature if you're driving and you don't want children to be playing with the doors. If we just walk up to the van here, this van has got twin sliding doors. And the childproof lock is on the side pillar here. Now to activate it, all you need to do is take your ignition key, flip it out, put it in there, and then turn it clockwise so it's in the horizontal position. The child lock on this sliding door is now activated. So if I now close the sliding door, make sure that I can still open it from the outside, which I can. Now if I climb inside the van, I've only got a single passenger seat on the front, so it's easy to get in the back. Now pretend I'm a screaming child. I want to get out, 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 when are we there? I can't get out. So the childproof lock is activated. And as I mentioned at the beginning, I've got twin sliding doors. So there's a child lock on this side as well. And again, to activate that, just turn that clockwise so it's in the horizontal position. Make sure before you lock this door that you haven't got twin passenger seats on the front and you lock yourself in. Otherwise you'll be climbing over the seats to get out. But I can easily get out of this van. I'm just going to climb out through the front. And then just to check that any adults can still open the door from the outside. Fabulous. Now you may have a childproof lock on your tailgate as well, and this will work in exactly the same way. Just going to deactivate this one and then I'll do the other one as well. And just check that it opens from the inside now. Fabulous. And I tell you what, even this short video definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. In the top right is a video on the fuse box locations and how to check the fuses on this van. In the top left, how to reset the service light. That's really useful if you're doing your own servicing. And in the bottom left, how to remove the rear seats on this Kombi without having a Hulk out. Hope that was useful. Drive safe.